Good morning, River. It's a beautiful day, or at least while we're recording this, it's a beautiful day outside. How are you feeling? Are you cheerful today, or are you down? That's a good question. Proverbs addresses that. Proverbs 17:22 says, "A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones." And you know, that's very true. They've done studies in hospitals, and they showed patients who were struggling, they showed them funny movies, the Three Stooges and this sort of thing, and it actually improved their overall health. Don't allow what's going on to crush your spirit. Don't allow that. That's of the enemy. Be cheerful. God is in control. No matter what it looks like, you can rejoice. You can be glad. And it's a good medicine. It's the best medicine for whatever might ail you. Look up. Rejoice. Today is the Lord's day. God bless you.